The unit factor method or dimensional analysis can also be used to convert measurements that involve a rate or compound unit, such as miles per hour or rotations per minute, something like that. So let's try this. We'll convert 25 meters per second to kilometers per hour. So in step 1, following the same process that we've done before, we know that we want to convert meters per second to kilometers per hour. Now we need to identify our conversion factors. So we're going to convert meters to kilometers, and we should know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. We're also going to convert seconds to hours, and we should know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute and 60 minutes in 1 hour, and 60 times 60 is 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. So now in step 2, we're going to set it all up. So we'll start by writing our given information as a fraction. And if you remember, we're going to write that as a fraction over 1. So we have 25 meters over 1 second. You can see we have units in the base here as well. Now we have our conversion factors. We're going to take our starting units, meters, that we have on the top, and we're going to write our conversion factor with those meters on the bottom. So it's 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. And now we're going to convert the seconds to hours. And here we have seconds on the bottom, so we're going to put our seconds on the top so that they can cancel over 1 hour. So in the next step, we're going to go to multiply. And when we do that, the meters here and here will cancel. And the seconds here and here will cancel. And that leaves us with the units remaining, kilometers per hour. So now we punch all of this into our calculators to find the answer, and 25 times 3,600 divided by 1,000 is going to give us 90 kilometers per hour. Now, dimensional analysis could involve even more unit fractions than this. Maybe we want to make a more complex conversion. So for example, instead of kilometers per hour, what if we wanted to find miles per hour? So now we need to add another step to our conversion and another conversion factor. So to convert kilometers now to miles, we need to know that 1 mile is equal to about 1.6 kilometers. And we're going to write that conversion factor here. We have kilometers on the top. We want to get rid of that and have miles instead. So we're going to put our kilometers on the bottom, 1.6 kilometers and 1 mile. And now if we make our calculations, it'll give us something like 56.7 miles per hour. So you see, we could have as many of these terms as we want, as long as the units cancel each other out and we end up with the units that we want to have at the end.